Maharashtra suspended vaccination against COVID for today and tomorrow, citing technical issues with the CoWIN app. Speaking to India Today, Municipal Commissioner Suresh Kakani has said that there were certain technical issues that need to be resolved in the CoWIN app, and hence the decision to postpone for 2 days had been taken. The civic body has said that centre has appraised of the situation and efforts are now underway to resolve these technical issues in the app. However, BMC has stated that vaccination is going to resume as soon as CoWIN app glitch is sorted. While on day one of the inoculation drive, offline registrations were allowed due to technical glitch, Maharashtra government has now instructed all future entries be made through the digital mode. Technical glitches in the CoWIN app led to a relatively low turnout of beneficiaries on Saturday. A total of 1,926 doses of COVID vaccine was given out to health workers, while their target was of 4,000.
टेक्निकल जो भी कारण दिया होगा उसकी फिलहाल तो मुझे मालूमात नहीं है, लेकिन वो जो भी है उसको दूर करके वापस जिस तरीके से आज हमने शुरुआत की थी, आज जे हॉस्पिटल में हमने खुद ने शुरुआत की थी, उसी तरीके से आगे इसको जारी रखा जाएगा।
Mustafa Sheikh is now joining us live for the very latest on this story. Mustafa, what are the glitches that are being reported in the app on day one itself?
Well, Chetu, if you look at the entire issue, prima facie, it may look like a setback that only yesterday the kick-starting of vaccination all over the country had happened and now Maharashtra suspended it for 2 days. But if you look at the issue in detail, it's not a surprising thing that on a IT-based server throughout the country from which the beneficiaries are taking vaccines, it is very much expectable that the server would not function as efficiently as it should. So what the BMC is likely to have done is that they have created a lag period of 2 days. So if they are inserting new names today, the beneficiary will come on Tuesday. So if there is any problem, they have Monday to add the beneficiary's name. So for Tuesday, they will be adding it for Thursday. So this is something which we are hearing prima facie the BMC and the Maharashtra government is trying to do, so that the turnout of the beneficiaries can be to the optimal mark and there is no lagging in the system. So that's the step which the Maharashtra government has taken, given that the CoWIN based application beneficiaries are the only ones who have to be given, and hence this approach has been adopted. Back to you.
All right. Thanks, Mustafa, for joining us with the very latest details on the story.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.